Guys, if you ever find a woman like this, I advise you to snatch her up real quick.
Aww.
Just look at her. She's beautiful. She's perfect. She's everything that I ever prayed for in a wife. Let me get this door for you. Come on, get on up in this truck with your beautiful self. I tell you what, she is so fat. Look, man, I'm going to tell you right now. She hasn't cooked in like 3 or 4 weeks. She's constantly nagging me. I need help. I'm telling you, I should run for the hills and fast. Man, I'll tell you, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Uh-huh. What you doing here, sweetie?
Oh, shit.
What you doing?
Hey.
This is at the airport. I thought you was going to the service.
I am. I got my stuff in the bag right now.
Yeah, I see you got the dog, and I see you got your bag, but whose house is this? Hold on. I dropped you off at the airport. Why are you here?
I can't help my cousin get some groceries.
Your cousin get some... I'm going to say this again. I dropped you off at the airport. I gave you a hug goodbye, gave you a few dollars. You said I love you, and then your location says that you're back here at some house I do not know about, and you have no cousin in the state. So stop. Whose house is this?
Let me explain.
Explain. Go ahead. Explain. Because this is a nice neighborhood. We don't live here, so whose house is this?
This is my people's house.
Your people's house?
Yeah.
So can I go knock on the door, or would that be an issue?
It'll be an issue.
Why would it be an issue? Something you want to tell me?
I lied.
You lied?
Yeah.
About what?
Going to the service.
About going to what?
The service.
About going to the service?
Yeah, I've been cheating.
You know we just had a newborn.
About that.
So I should go get tested and see if that's my child, because obviously we're in somebody's house. Is it a male or female?
It's both.
What do you mean it's both? What do you mean it's both?
I mean, it's both.
And you got my dog with you? Come here. Let's go. And you got my dog with you? Are you serious? So you're gonna take my dog to somebody else's house? How trifling is that? Sit down. Sit. How trifling is that?
Very trifling.
All right, we're gonna fix this. I'm gonna go knock on their door.
No.
This single mother went on their first date, and he was shocked at what she was asking him to pay for.
I need to leave some money for the kids so they can get some food from the DoorDash. You mind giving me a couple dollars?
This is our first date. Where they daddy at?
All that don't matter. I'm asking you. I'm going on a date with you.
You supposed to have that set up before you call yourself going out on a date. That shouldn't be like a responsibility on me.
My kid's not important to you. It's a package deal.
A package deal? We just met. Maybe this wasn't a good idea.
Really?
You don't have...
So you just gonna cancel the date? You're not gonna help me with the kids?
They not my kids.
No, bro, it's not a good idea. Asking for money like that on the first date, you have not even gone for the date. It's a red flag, bro. Run.
When this woman fooled her ex into overpaying child support for years, the judge hit her back with instant karma.
Looking back at the documents, first of all, Ms. Chilton's an intelligent woman. She knows how child support works. The child support calculation that was giving her so much child support had her income at $15,000 per year. When we recalculated child support, the child support was at $50,000 per year for Ms. Chilton's income. There's no way that Ms. Chilton did not know that child support shouldn't have been at that level that it was at. At this point, my client's kind of stuck where he's overpaid child support for years, essentially, to Ms. Chilton, but he has no way to get any of that child support back.
Ms. Chilton, what's your response?
At the time when this was calculated, as I presented to the court, I was only working part-time, and the order was based on that part-time work ending in that summer. I was not going to be working over the summer because I was going to school. And so I don't feel like it is at my fault that that the child support stayed in that way. Once I submitted documentation to the court of my full-time employment, it had not changed, so I took it back to the court. I submitted it twice. So I did everything that I knew to do. I was not trying to be deceiving in any way. That income was based on him working more at that time, and then he went on to a different job that caused him to work make less.
Well, it would be inequitable to charge the plaintiff an amount, in essence, have him paying over $7,000 that he should not have had to have paid had it been calculated at that correct amount at that particular time. So the court is going to grant the motion for the repayment. The amount of $6,891 would be repaid over the same term that it was collected. I'll simply order that you can figure it out when it was collected and then have the repayment over the same term.
She thought she got away with it. Years of overpaid child support, all based on lies. But the moment the truth hit the courtroom, everything flipped. The judge didn't just expose her. He made sure she paid back every single cent, the same way she took it. This is what real accountability looks like. Guys, if you made it this far, you already see the pattern. Truth always catches up. Hit that like button if you believe accountability should go both ways.
So what kind of man are you looking for? Wait,
How
how old is your daughter?
She's 9 months.
So where's her father? What's going on with you guys?
He's in the hospital, so yeah, he's very ill, so I'm looking for like a stepfather.
Wait, so you broke up with him while he's in the hospital?
No, I didn't break up with him.
Were y'all not together when he went to the hospital?
Yeah, we're still together.
Wait, okay.
I'm looking for like just in case. A stepfather just in case.
Just in case if he passes away?
Right.
Are you serious?
Yes, Kendra. You have to have one in the chamber, Kendra. Come on now.
Wait, shouldn't you be holding him down? Why is he in the hospital?
I can't go to the hospital because it's like, all the hospitals are shut down.
Okay, but shouldn't you be waiting to see, like, is it not looking good?
It's not looking good.
Are you a comedian?
No, Kendra, I'm not a comedian. I'm serious.
This is serious.
I'm serious. We have a type of relationship that's like, we're very realistic. My husband is much older than me as well.
How old is your husband?
He's 65. He'll be 66 in a month or less, a little bit less than a month.
How old are you?
32.
Well, I hope your husband survives, and I hope
too.
And then I hope he divorces your ass, because I hope he survives and then leaves you, because any wife of his that's looking for the guy while he's still in the hospital is
I'm a really good wife to him, though.
You're a really good wife as you're looking for a person while he's still in the hospital bed. This is crazy.
Oh no, woman, you're not a good wife at all. A good wife would be on her knees praying for his recovery already, not out here trying to find a replacement already. And like Candy G said, I hope he recovers and divorce her immediately.
It came down to the location. You're absolutely beautiful.
The location.
Yeah, but I'm on the East Coast, so.
We're on the East Coast.
South Carolina.
I was thinking about moving to North Carolina, so.
Oh, see. I might need it back. How serious is that thought?
It's pretty serious. It's very serious. Like in the next year and a half serious.
I think I want it back.
You sure?
Don't give it back. You know what I'm saying? Don't give it back.
All right. Do you guys have any questions for one another?
Do you have any kids?
I have one daughter. She's 10.
Okay. I have two, so.
Two.
A daughter and a son.
How old are they?
5 and 9. My son is 9.
Okay.
Yep. If you could summarize your values or your life in a motto or a quote, what would it be?
Life is for the living. It literally got me through some of the darkest days, but life is for the living, so you gotta live. Is it a yes for you for her?
It's a yes.
And is it a yes for you for him? It's a yes. We got a man!
You're right, sis. Life is for the living. Live it right. And remember, guys, protect yourself, stay sharp, and never ignore the fine print. I'll see you in the next one.